What's going on? Beyblade challenge here with our first unboxing, Rage Longinus Destroy Dash 3A. This video is brought to you by the good folks at Four Gaming. That's FOUR-GAMING. 4gaming.com is a great reseller of Beyblades and trading cards. 4 Gaming, living what you enjoy. Let's get to the unboxing. We've got the Rage ring, the Longinus chip, and a beautiful purple core. There are slopes. Got the 3A double chassis. It's a left spin only, as you can see in the center. Right there. And the ever so lovely Destroy Dash. We're going to put this together and go against a Judgment Diabolos Blitz Octa. Alright, now that we're set up, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, winner. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa. That's 2-0. Round 3. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Score is 2-1. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And that's the match. Rage Longinus is definitely a Beyblade to be reckoned with, but as we can see, the old powerful Judgment Diabolos is still in control. Thank you for watching. Please visit 4 Gaming for all of your Beyblade needs, and until next time, take it easy.